Welcome everyone. Today we are witnessing one of the most exciting moments from SEMA 2025, the legendary SEMA Cruise in Las Vegas. This is the moment when the convention center doors open and the city streets turn into a moving car show. One by one, custom cars and powerful trucks roll out, showing years of passion, design, and hard work. You see cars built for speed, cars built for beauty, and cars built to shock the world. Every vehicle has its own personality. Some are loud and aggressive, others are smooth, clean, and elegant. As the engines start, the atmosphere changes. The sound of horsepower fills the air. Crowds stop to watch. Cameras rise. Smiles appear everywhere. This is not just about driving. This is about pride. This is about creativity. This is about the love for machines. From classic styles to modern builds, from street cars to off-road monsters, the SEMA Cruise shows how wide and powerful car culture really is. Each driver here is not only showing a car, they are sharing a dream. The cruise also shows how the car community connects people from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds. No matter where you come from, the love for cars speaks the same language. SEMA is more than an event. It is a celebration of imagination, innovation, and pure automotive passion. So relax, enjoy every detail, every sound, and every movement. Watch until the end to experience the full power of this legendary cruise. And if you enjoy car culture, custom builds, and automotive moments like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the ride.